Hey guys, Tasche here, and in this WowApp account create tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your account with WowApp. Now, at the request of one of my subscribers, I'm going to create a full series of WowApp tutorials teaching different aspects of the system, how to make money with it, etc. And this is actually going to be the first video in that series. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a playlist with all the tutorials in it, and I'm actually going to have that link down below in the description. So as I'm creating new videos, you can just check out that playlist and you'll be able to learn all the different aspects of WowApp. So the way to create your account is very simple. All you do is click the link in the description, and disclaimer, that is my affiliate link. And what that means is that I will earn based upon your earnings. So basically, WowApp works off a network marketing concept where you earn based upon your actions. So when you fill out surveys, you download apps, you do different offers, etc., you're going to earn based upon your actions. And you're also going to earn off your referrals actions. You generate a matching percentage of what they earn. And that goes down through several levels. And you'll learn all about that when you sign up, and I'll also do some tutorials on that as well. So what you do is click the link in the description, and you're going to come to my page here, and you're going to scroll down, and you're going to click this button that says Join Kurt Tasche on WowApp. So we're going to click that. And then all you need to do is put in your email address, or you create a username and a password, retype your password, solve the CAPTCHA, and then click Create Account. So I'm going to create a dummy account to show you how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and enter an email address in here. Let me go ahead and put my email address. I'm going to create. I'm going to put a username here. I'm going to create a password. And what I'm going to actually do, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to create a strong password with my RoboForm software. So I'll be going to pause the video. Okay, so what I did was I want to make sure that my account had a strong password. Even though this is a dummy account that I'm not going to be using, I want to make sure that you understand the importance of creating strong passwords on all your accounts. And what I did was I have a RoboForm, which is a password manager, but it also allows you to create passwords, automatically generate passwords. So I can click on generate, and it'll create a password for me. And that's why I have a randomly created password. It's not some word that people can remember. It's a random set of characters that's hard to guess. So that's how I did that. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and type in the CAPTCHA here. And then I need to agree to the terms. And click Create Account. Okay, now it says Almost Done. First, I need to go and sign in with my email address, and then it's also going to redirect me to install the app. So I can install the app. I'm going to cancel that out. What I can do is it's going to prompt me to install the PC WowApp software, which basically is a messenger app. And then once I log into my account, I'll be able to download the mobile app for my Android device. There's also one for iPhone. So no matter what kind of mobile device you have, you can download it and use it. So let me go ahead and pause the video here real quick. I'm going to see if they sent me a confirmation email yet. Alright guys, so I don't remember if WowApp actually sends confirmation emails or not, because it's been a few years since I created my account. So I don't remember if they actually send emails or not. So far I haven't gotten a confirmation email from this sign up. But if you get a confirmation email, just click the confirmation link and then go log in. Otherwise, you can sit there and just once you've signed up, you can just go back to the website. I'm going to go to WowApp.com. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log in. Now, if I wanted to save that, I could save that my RoboForm software prompts me to save all my passwords. So if I wanted to save that, I could. I'm not going to bother saving that actually. I'm just going to cancel it out because I'm actually going to delete this account once this tutorial is over with. But let me cancel it out. And then all you do is, the first thing you need to do is you need to get your app on your mobile device and then also install it on your computer. The app for the computer is more or less a messenger app. It works the same way as Skype. It kind of resembles the old Yahoo Messenger software from a few years ago. But all your offers and all the money earning, or most of the money earning, is going to happen through your mobile device. Okay, so you'll make sure that the first thing you do is go to either the Play Store or the App Store and download it to your mobile device, and then log in, and then make sure you keep your alerts on, your notifications on, and this will alert you every time you get a new sign up, and also every time you get you earn WoW coins. Now I'm going to go over exactly how to get referrals and how to get more WoW coins, how to get WoW coins faster in other videos. But guys, that's it. That's how simple it is. You just go to the link in the description, you click the button to sign up, you fill out your information, and then you download the app for your computer, and you download the app for your mobile device. That's it. Super simple. And then you can start doing offers and start earning. And again, I'll do full tutorials on how to make money with WowApp. So the next few tutorials are probably going to be how to make money with the surveys, how to make money with the free offers, etc. So stay tuned. Again, that playlist will be in the description. So you just click on that and bookmark that playlist. That way you'll know when new videos are added. Okay, because this is the first video, and after this one, I'll be adding more, as time goes on. And I'll try to add in as quickly as possible because I know a lot of people have been looking for how to make money with the WowApp. They've been looking for some WowApp account create tutorials and information on how to do that. They wanted to know how to how to do certain things with the software, with the system. So I'll have all those up for you as soon as possible. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this WowApp account create tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment down below. And go ahead and share this on social media with your friends as well if you can. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And then also, make sure you click that bell icon to get push notifications every time I release a new video. With that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.